Hey, man. I cooked some
What's
dog.
up, bro? What you cut there?
Some dog, man.
I
just chopped it over.
Oh, dude, this is so good.
Hot dog.
Go, eat it. Go. 8 months later, December, winter. Oh my God! They're biting me. I do look at the chick up there. Dude, they look so warm. Damn, girl.
Oh, God.
Money for the poor. They're really cold. They're cold. My friend here is going crazy.
Wait, dude, don't you think we should do
They're cold. They're so warm. Give us your money. Give me a jacket. It looks nice. Very nice. It looks very warm.
Well,
It's warm. We're really hungry. Jacket. It's December. It's my birthday. It's December.
Well,
Jacket. It's really cold.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless.
Dude has a jacket. I have something in here. Sorry.
So what? Thank you.
Oh, should we just give it to them? Go ahead.
It's warm now. It's warm.
Is that a cat?
Oh, dude. No, it's mine. No. Wait. This is not how brothers act. How do brothers act? Give me that. No, we must speak this.